This was a great opportunity because we traditionally work with adults. And so it was great just to see the younger generation come in and all the cool creative stuff that they're doing, with their own time, that they're growing up, and especially the digital stuff and all that, kind of combining their generation, with traditional art form. And we really looked at three main things in this competition. One was going to be composition and design, of course their interpretation and creativity, and then of course we also graded on visual impact. We were absolutely blown away by the artwork that we got, the talent that these kids and teens had. It was just so amazing to see not only all the cool stuff that they've done, but just this awesome collection of creative folks all together. Our overall winner for the 10 to 13 age group was Miss Ellie Ball with her peacock piece.
I'm Ellie Ball in 7th grade at Glasgow Middle School. So this piece of art was made out of a medium clear gesso paint mixed with some colors and palette knives. My favorite part about creating this was probably the body of it. It was really cool blending all the colors together. I think it's really cool just to be so young and already have an art gallery show.
And for the 14 to 18 age group, we'll start off with our honorable mention, which was number 90 by Jenna Dole. And it was her photograph Reflections of Nature.
This is actually my cousin, and the background is my grandparents' garage. The background is just a sheet. It brought in a lot of texture to the piece. This mirror is from a yard sale. I try to find things that people would think that are just, normal everyday things. And I incorporate them into my art to make everybody think, everyday things can be extraordinary. This is supposed to reflect how, like yourself, you can be free in nature.
And then in first place, we had number 27. Our overall winner for the 14 to 18 age group is going to be piece number 18 by Kinley Furlong. It was her black and white expression studies. We were happy to give her the MVP award for this competition. Number 27 was by Matthew Depp, and it was his piece, Sad Hours. It was great just to see the younger generation come in and all the cool creative stuff that they're doing. Special thanks to Ms. Jennifer Frisch from Glasgow Middle School. I worked with her earlier this year in another show. She was just really great to be excited about this event and to push her students and to get some other folks involved. This was a great opportunity because we traditionally work with adults. I think we got a lot of great pieces where we could really tell kind of some of the ideas that these kids were trying to get out in their message of their artwork.